40 miles an hour, 40. Crap. That was a fishtail. I don't know if you heard that or not, but whoa. Yeah, this is really bad right here. I was like fishtailing for like 5 seconds there. Just because the gravity pulls you down left, and you have to steer a bit right to keep your car going straight. And we were to stop, getting just a little bit of speed. And I don't know, man. That's the second time I've fishtailed already. I'm very lightly putting my brakes on right now, trying not to have this happen again. Figure out what's going on up there. Yeah, something happened. There's a fire department, tow truck, MoDOT vehicle. There you go. Policeman. Oops, the fire truck's just pulling off. Looks like a news crew back there or something, I don't know.